Okay, today I am reviewing how to add ribs to a product. This is without draft because the draft would get goofy. If you want to get really intense about draft, you can watch the video that was on that homework sheet, but that's not what I'm expecting for you guys moving forward. So if you look at the drawing, the picture, and usually ribs don't go all the way up to the edge. They end like here, and it's to add structure to a plastic part because they'll warp and shift around. So you need draft because it goes up and down. We're not adding that now. It's fine. It's just trying to show you how to do it. So when we're going to extrude from this top plane down, but when we extrude down, we're not going to merge to this body because we need to cut it really easily from a lower height. So that's why we're not merging. So we're going to start top, sketch, and then we need one right centered down the middle. So we're going to do a construction line here, and then we're going to draw one line here, and we are going to offset it. Oh wait, oops, delete. We're going to dimension this here, 0.075. And then we're going to, oh, not offset, good grief, mirror this guy over. I'm doing this just so that it's centered. That's going to be really too wide. 0.05, let's do that. That looks big still. 0.04. Okay, that looks better. I'm totally eyeballing this in case you're wondering. I'm like the opposite of the guy in that video. Okay, so we're going to do this, and then we're going to offset. It doesn't have to be centered around anything, but it's going to be 0.08 so that it matches up with this. Boy, it's still wide. All right, 0.05. That's better. I'm going to update this guy. Man, I always try to have these so I'm not doing this, but bad habits die hard. Okay, so we're going to have, I'm just going to try and evenly space these out. I'm going past, oh, I didn't go past. All right, delete. So if you watch, I'm going past this edge because it's going to make my life easier. I found this out the hard way. Yes. I'll just dimension this, I guess. 0.05. We'll be more scientific about it than sometimes I am, I feel like. Okay, 0.05. And I'm not going to define it here. It's fine. It's just showing, like, you know how to do ribs. I'm going to make sure it's okay. And then you can convert this edge, but what we're really needing is for these to actually go past, so you can offset it. So if you do it right to this edge, when you try and do the extrude down and everything, it can get a little wonky. So I'm just going to do, because we're going to extrude and then cut it, I'm just going to do like this and then trim these back. I guess I could have done up to here. It doesn't really matter. But you want it to be in the middle of this, so when you extrude it down, things don't get funny. And you're not going to be able to, oops, trim. You're not going to be able to see it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Here we go. Trim. Same thing here. Trim. I guess you could have done squares or rectangles, but whatever. Next time. There's that rib feature, but I wasn't able to get it to work, and this is faster, I think. Maybe the rib feature would be faster. We did that earlier in the semester. Okay, so now I've got this where I want it to be. I'm not going to do the circles because they're not going to extrude all at the same time. I'll do it later. So these are all ending inside of this edge. It's floating up above where I want it, which is good. Now we're going to extrude up to surface. Let's try the offset. Reverse offset. See if it works. Nah, it's not gonna work. It's okay. Let me make sure these are always confusing. Oh my goodness. I forgot to do something. Nuts. Man. These are all getting in the way, so you just have to cut these. I'm frustrated because I was trying to have one demo where I didn't have to be like, oh, nuts. Just not gonna happen. It's fine. Okay, good grief. There we go. Now, features. Extrude. Whew. Got it. Let's try that. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Reverse offset. Okay, I'm gonna stick to the script. Up to body. Okay, there we go. Don't merge. So the reason we're not going to merge is because we need to trim from the side, and it's going to make life really hard if we merge it. I'll show you. So now this is where our thing ends. It goes way up here. We've got two bodies. From the front, we're going to do a sketch, and we want this to be not going all the way to the top. We could do like a offset. I'm just going to do this with one spline. I am eyeballing. Oh, nuts. Delete. That looks good. Okay, and then what we're going to do, so that's what we're going to cut. So we could do this a couple ways, of course. Oh, we're not going to do that. We're going to do the surface extrude. Mid-plane. And we're just going to have it go past everything. Okay, then we're going to cut with surface. Don't declick auto select and then select this body so that you know you're not cutting this body. So selected bodies, this. And then make sure your arrow's going up. And then you can delete this guy, right click. Don't do delete because it doesn't work. Oh, it's not giving it as an option. There it is. If you click down, it's here. I put it up here. In your features, it's here, or here. It's delete body because it's a full body. It's not a face, but delete body. All right, so now you need to add it together. Insert, because you have two. So you're gonna combine, add these guys. There you go. Done. And then, oh, let's roll up. Okay, so we'll roll up here. So we'll add the circles. Ah. All right, feature, extrude. Could have done it earlier, but whatever, it's cool. How about up to body for all of them? There we go. Make sure it's not merged. And then surface cut, edit feature. Select these guys too, down here. Okay, so now everything is selected. You can roll it down. So if you forget to do things, that's how you do it. And you can haul these out if you want to get really nerdy, but it's okay. All right, so that's how you add that. And so it's scaled down. It doesn't have draft. I don't think it matters. For this, right this second, I'm not going to go there. You don't need to add draft to this right now. Later in your lives, you guys can go there. Okay, hope this helps. Bye.